The step 1. Place the instrument on a level solid surface and remove the support screws on the back of the test chamber. The second step is to fix the cover support frame with screws. In the screw holes on the back of the test box. Step 3. External hard pipe discharge of the drain port. The external drain pipe is always be lower than the drain port height. Connect the saturated tank automatic water supply port and connect the pressurized water at other end. Insert the drain pipe into the saturated bucket drain to allow the waste. Step 4. The exhaust port can be connected with an external hose or a rigid PVC pipe. Please be sure to keep the exhaust pipe open, so as not to affect the normal discharge of salt spray. If the exhaust pipe is clogged, the pressure in the working chamber will increase continuously, which will cause the cover to be opened by the gas mist, which will affect the whole test. Note: the user must pass the discharged salt spray to the outside. Step 5. Connect the external air source. Customers need to bring their own air compressor and air pressure cannot be less than 0.2 MPa. Please turn off the air supply when installing, so as not to damage the instrument too much air pressure. Step 6. Install the V-shaped sample holder. And install the sample hanger. Step 7. Install the salt mist collector. Step 8. Install the salt spray box cover. Over temperature. Light on when over temperature. Low level. Light on when the chamber water level is not enough. The end indicator light lights up when the test reaches the set time. No spray indicator light. This light lights when there is no spray. Spray indicator light. This light comes on when spraying fog. Pressure cylinder low water level indicator light. This light comes on when there is not enough water in pressure barrel. Pressure cylinder over temperature indicator light. This light lights on when over temperature in pressure barrel. The timer is used to control the total test time. The saturator temperature switch controls the temperature of the saturation bucket. Cumulative timer, cumulative spray time. Cycle, turn on it. Interval spray according to the set procedure. Spaced spraying was performed sequentially. Defogging switch, turn on it, the chamber fog will force discharge out, and the mist in the test room will be forcibly discharged. The timer switch is turned on and the timer starts record time. When the spray switch is turned on, the continuous spray operation can be carried out according to the set program. Switch press the run switch, the instrument will be powered on and relevant parameters will be displayed. Press the power switch to power on the machine and prepare for work. Cycle timer, above is the spray time, below is the spray interval. Chamber temperature, control the temperature of the chamber. Step 1. Turn on the power switch. The second step is to open the valve and add water to the bottom of the test chamber until the low water level on the left side of the panel is off. If the test room is short of water during the test, the light will illuminate. This lamp will turn on and the instrument will automatically replenish water until the lamp goes off. The third step is to add water to the saturation barrel. The saturation barrel is made of metal, so the added water should be distilled water or deionized water. Until the low water level light on the right side of the panel is off. The light indicates that the test room is short of water. And the light off means the test room is full of water. There is a transparent PVC pipe on the back of the instrument. This is used to observe the water level in the saturated barrel. The water level is up to 4/5 of the water pipe if the water level is reduced to 1/2. Please replenish the water in time to prevent the shortage of water. Water shortage leads to trial interruption, affecting the test process. Step 4. Add water to the sealing tank. The sealing tank around the upper part of the tank is filled with tap water before the test, and should not be overfilled. After closing the lid, the water level just misses the edge of the lid. Step 5. Add the prepared test solution, brine. The test solution should be filtered before being added to the brine storage tank, to prevent solid substances from clogging the nozzle. Sixth step. Put into the samples. The test surface of each sample plate faces upward, and the angle with the vertical is 20 degrees, plus or minus 5 degrees. Then close the cover. Step 7. Turn on the operation button. Set the required test temperature. For the normal neutral salt spray test, we set the temperature of the test chamber to 35 Celsius. Press the button up down left in the lower right corner of the screen to adjust. And the temperature of the saturated barrel is 2 to 3 Celsius higher than the temperature of the test chamber, so we set at 37 Celsius. Step 8. Adjust the air inlet pressure to 0.2 MPa. Turn on the spray button and the instrument starts to run. And ensure that the pressure gauge on the operation panel shows 1 kg per square centimeter. Read out by the pressure gauge on the operation panel. If there is any deviation, it may be adjusted by the adjustment knob below. Clockwise is increase and counterclockwise is decrease. Step 9. If you need the timing function, turn off the spray button. Set the duration of the test. You can select the time unit in the last column. After setting, turn on the spray and time switch, and the instrument will start running. When the running time reaches, the instrument will automatically stop. Step 10. If you need interval spray, remove the instrument protective shell. The following is to set the spray time, such as setting 2 seconds. The above is to set the spray stop time, such as setting 3 seconds. After setting, turn on the SPRAY timer and cycle. The instrument starts running. If the button cycle is turned off, the instrument will not perform interval spray even if the interval spray time is set. The 11th step, after the test is completed, turn off the spray, timer, and cycle. Before observing the sample, please turn on the defog button, and let the fog be removed for 5 to 10 minutes before opening the lid. If the lid is opened directly, the salt spray will corrode other instruments. Step 12. After the test, please open the drain valve. Drain the water inside the machine and clean the studio to prepare it for the next test.